Hey guys, let's quickly unbox the Space and Beauty Planner for 2022. So it comes with a pink cardboard packaging. So when you open, the first thing I picked is this pink scrunchie. Rest of the goodies are in this bubble packaging. As you open, the first thing I noticed is this pink badge which says "You Go Girl." And next is this cute play cards. Next is this cute little bookmark. This is the postcard. Next is this cute little pocket notebook. The cover color looks white to me with this black polka dots. This is the notes notepad. I thought this is a sticky notes, but it is not. Next we have same thing with the to-do list. This is also not a sticky pad. This is the cute little pop socket. Next, it's a notebook. The pages are unruled. So next, coming to my favorite thing in this planner is this the ultimate sticker book. Please do comment below if you want to see the full flip through of this book. They mention that this book contains almost more than 2000 stickers. I think that's a lot. And the sticker also looks very good quality. These are all the freebies which are added with this planner. So this is the main planner of 2022. I'm very much excited for this one. Also do comment below if you want to see the full flip through of this planner. It's a very minimal planner. I think it's very nice and thoughtful. You can also decorate this planner using the sticker which they have given with this planner. If you want to see the freebies or any flip throughs, please do comment below. They have couple of variant in this planner which I've picked is 12 bundle. So this costed me around 1800 something with taxes and shipping. I think it's totally worth it with the number of freebies they are added. I think this is it for this video. I thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.